Have you heard the saying, where focus goes, energy flows? It's a Tony Robbins saying, but it really is true. It's a lot to do with the law of attraction as well. Because what it is the energy that we are in, the mindset that we're in, is that's what we're actually bringing to us. So let's talk about money. So if you're always worried about not having money, that's what you're actually focusing on, is what you don't have. It's the lack. And so that's what ends up, that's what you're attracting, is you're attracting struggle because you're constantly worried about it. So there's a negativity that you're emanating, and that's unfortunately is what we're bringing in, because energy doesn't know if it's positive or negative. It's just paying attention to the energy that you're exuding. So if you're constantly in a state of gratitude and you're thankful and you see all the beauty and all the good that's around you and all the abundance that you have, you continue to get that because that's what you believe. It's what you believe in your core. And when you believe it in your energy system and in your nervous system, that's what you're attracting in. So really, really be careful of what you're thinking. Think about its mindset. So your mind is controlling your energy, and your energy is controlling what's coming to you. So think positive, get positive. Let's train the mind to see the beauty in everything and the good, even all the stuff that's hard. There's a way through it. Think of the positive outcome and you will find a way. Just because you're stuck now doesn't mean you're stuck all the time. Be open to the flow and be open to all the good that we have.